This is how to remove phone number from Facebook account. Now first thing, you need to launch your Facebook app. Then tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then tap on settings icon on your top right corner. Then tap on see more in account center. Then scroll down. Then personal details. Then contact info. Then you are going to see your phone number and your email. Just tap on it. Then delete number. Then delete. Then as you can see, you have deleted your previous number. Then tap on close. Then as you can see, the number has been removed. So as you can see also, the number has been removed here. So that's it guys, that's how you can simply remove phone number from Facebook account. If you found this video useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.